this is a little video tutorial on the IC. So to start, I'm not going to do right now, but you're going to make sure pump is on, and you're going to make sure the suppressor's on, set it to this setting, and then set the current to 33, okay, and then, so, let's see, now say you're done, your stuff's already been run, so what you're going to do to access your results is go to data, okay, and then let's see, ours is saved under LAMP sequence template AT, okay, cool, okay, here it is, okay, so one thing I want you all to notice is that this, okay, so before I came in and fixed this with Miss B, this was actually set as unknown, okay, so we ended up changing this to calibration standard, and then had to set it at level 5 because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so we just set this as our 0 ppm, I think. Okay, so that's all well and dandy. So now let's click on one of these guys. Anyone will bring you to this screen, and so I think whenever I clicked on it the first time, it brought you to peak results, and so actually I'll talk about that later. So let me click on one of these. Okay, here we are. So we're not analyzing fluoride, but I just want to show this as an example. So see these little bars up here? So sometimes these are off, but what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to move this so the peak is within the 2 dotted lines there. And then let's zoom in on this. Notice how this red thing is like it's slanting upwards. So like we don't want that actually. What we're gonna want to do is zoom in, okay, and then we're gonna take this red line and drag it so it's, oh wait, hold on, okay, well, we're gonna want to take that line, drag it, so that's flush with the baseline, okay, actually, let's delete this peak, okay, so we set that, perfect, okay, this probably, we want to include this, hold on, sorry, okay, there we go, so we're going to want to do that, and then see, it's flush with the baseline. Before it was all sideways, you don't want that, and so anyways, I already went ahead and made sure all my peaks were highlighted and whatnot, so let me just auto scale. Actually, let's go full size. So we're actually we're looking at chloride and sulfate, so just don't pay attention to the fluoride. I was just using that as an example. And so let's say I want to put my result or print my results or put them on a flash drive. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go down to the summary tab, okay, and you're gonna see this yellow table. So say I want to copy my results for chloride onto Excel. You're gonna click the peak, and then notice this changes whenever you click on a different peak. So right now it's on chloride. Say I want to copy paste my stuff for sulfate, I just click on that peak, and then there it is. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna copy, Control C, and copy it and paste it into Excel. Okay, you're gonna do that for chloride and sulfate. I'm just gonna show you sulfate. So, okay, right? Miss B told me we don't need any of this. Okay, delete that. Okay, we don't need, okay, so what we really need here is the area. We don't need the relative area, so we can delete this. Hold on, let's delete this. I would keep their attention time, that's what Miss B told me. Okay, and then we're gonna keep this. Okay, we don't need the height. we don't need any of this, we can get rid of this. It's not a big deal because you can always go back to the file and look at it again. So this is what you want, and then you just save it like how you would a normal Excel file with your thumb drive.